Welcome to this comprehensive review of Holistics, a business intelligence platform designed for companies looking to make better data-driven decisions. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the core features of Holistics, its strengths, weaknesses, and how it stands out in the crowded analytics space. If you're looking to enhance your business with powerful data reporting tools, this might be the solution you need. First, let's talk about the user interface. Holistics has a clean, minimalist design, which makes navigation relatively easy. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that presents your most important metrics at a glance. The tool is intuitive, but there is a slight learning curve when setting up integrations with your data sources, especially for those new to business intelligence platforms. The interface is functional, but it could benefit from a bit more customization and flexibility in terms of layout. Now, let's talk about data integration. Holistics connects to multiple data sources like databases, spreadsheets, and even other tools via API. It supports popular databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Google BigQuery. This level of flexibility is one of Holistics' strengths, especially for businesses with complex data ecosystems. However, the setup process isn't always smooth, and you might face some challenges in syncing certain data sources. When it comes to reporting, Holistics offers powerful visualization tools that allow you to create detailed and interactive reports. You can filter and manipulate data in real time to generate reports that are tailored to your business's needs. The platform also allows for scheduled reporting, so you can automate the delivery of these reports to your team or stakeholders. But be aware, while the reporting tools are robust, they can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're not familiar with creating complex data visualizations. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of pricing, Holistics operates on a subscription model, and the cost can be a bit steep for small businesses or startups. It's more suited for mid to large-sized businesses that need advanced analytics. The price is justified if you require the full suite of features, but smaller teams might find it a bit excessive unless they truly need high-level data reporting capabilities. Now, let's talk about customer support. Holistics provides solid documentation and an active community forum where you can find answers to most of your questions. However, direct support can be slow at times, and you might need to wait for a while to get a response to more technical inquiries. The good news is that the support team is knowledgeable once you do get in touch. Overall, Holistics is a solid choice for businesses looking for a robust, enterprise-grade business intelligence solution. Its flexibility in integrating data sources and powerful reporting features make it stand out, but the learning curve and pricing may make it less suitable for smaller businesses or those new to business analytics. If you're serious about optimizing your data reporting and want to improve decision-making across your organization, Holistics could be a great investment, but it might require some upfront time and effort to truly master. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching.